Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we'll be discussing about top 5 winter या fall fragrances. So as you guys know कि weather has changed और सर्दियाँ आ गई हैं. So therefore I think it was necessary to make a video on winter fragrances. So let's start the video, but before moving on, please hit like and subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments below which are your favorite winter fragrances. So let's start. On the number 5th spot we have this Khadi Oh So Exotic perfume. This is a very beautiful perfume. It's a vanilla kind of fragrance with coconut, and so this one is kind of a sweet fragrance with coconut in it, and this is also a dupe of a very famous fragrance which is Carolina Herrera Good Girl. So if you do not want to buy this one, although I will recommend this one, this is very pretty fragrance, and especially for fall. This is for daytime and for nighttime as well, but for the casual events, not for the formal events. And you can also get one of these, the Smart Collection of Carolina Herrera Good Girl, and I've tried and tested it. This is very long lasting and very pretty fragrance, so you can buy this one as well. So on number 5th spot we had Khadi Oh So Exotic and Carolina Herrera Dupe Good Girl. So on number 4th spot we have J. Flora. As you guys know, okay, I love Flora perfume. It is one of my most favorite perfumes from any Pakistani brand, and this is very intoxicating kind of fragrance, and it is a rose fragrance, rosy, musky, and jasmine. It has only 3 components, so it's a floral musky fragrance, but it is very heavily rosy. So, and in a very good way. I think most of the people do not like rose fragrances, but I really like it, and it's very intoxicating when it comes to Flora. एंड सम पीपल वुड बी वंडरिंग कि मैंने इस परफ्यूम को समर फ्रेग्रेंसेस वाली वीडियो में भी अपने रखा था और विंटर्स में भी रख रही हूँ. तो येस, डेफिनेटली आई लव दिस फ्रेग्रेंस सो मच एंड आई कैन वेयर दिस फ्रेग्रेंस ऑल द ईयर राउंड. एंड रोज़ की वजह से इट बिकम्स समवॉट विंटरी, एंड लाइक जो रात की शादियाँ होती हैं सर्दियों की, या रात के कोई फॉर्मल इवेंट्स हैं, कोई पार्टी है, कोई बर्थडे पार्टी है, उसमें इफ़ यू वांट टू स्टैंड आउट एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू स्मेल लाइक very sophisticated, floral, ladylike, so you can wear this fragrance. This is for formal events and for night winter time. And this is the only floral fragrance which I'll recommend for winters. I have not included any other floral fragrances in this video, but this is the only one. जो मैंने इसमें जितनी भी fragrances include किए हैं वो ज़्यादातर gourmand sweet type की हैं, but this one is very intoxicating and very winter like because of rose factor. Yes, it is very, very pretty fragrance. You will not regret buying this. Everyone should have this in their collection. I will recommend this 100%. So this was our number 4th, and on number 3 spot we have another fragrance, but I do not have that fragrance here right now with me. The fragrance is Ethnic Ombre Indigo. Basically, it's a very kind of sophisticated, very gourmand, very maltol, lactonic notes, और इस टाइप की फ्रेग्रेंस है वो, बहुत कैंडी लाइक बिकॉज ऑफ एम्बर एंड gourmand notes. It's very sophisticated gourmand fragrance. I don't think I have ever come across any sophisticated gourmand fragrance. I'll put it here for you for your reference. And by the way, you guys, जितने भी मैं fragrances आज डिस्कस कर रही हूँ उन सब की मैं लिंक्स इधर डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगी कि कहाँ से आपको परचेज करने हैं और कहाँ से मिल सकते हैं. तो गो चेक देम आउट वट एवर यू लाइक. So that is number 3 spot, Ethnic Ombre Indigo. It is best suited for daytime formal office wear and nighttime formal events. That is for formal events. The 5th one which I showed you, which is also exotic, this is for casual use, day and night casual use, and the Flora is very, very formal events, nighttime formal events. This is for nighttime formal events. And the 3rd one which I'm talking about, Ethnic Ombre Indigo, is kind of formal and casual at the same time, but it is sophisticated. ठीक है, तो आप डे एंड नाइट के फॉर्मल इवेंट्स में उसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. फॉर ऑन नंबर 2 स्पॉट वी हैव खादी एमेथिस्ट एडोर. कुछ लोगों ने मेरा इसका रिव्यू देखा होगा, तो उन लोगों को ये पता होगा कि आई वॉजेंट अ फैन ऑफ दिस फ्रेग्रेंस, बट विंटर्स के लिए दिस इज़ बेस्ट. इट इज़ वेरी वनीलाइक फ्रेग्रेंस, और इसमें कॉफ़ी भी है, तो इट्स जस्ट लाइक वेरी कोजी विंटरी एंड काइंड ऑफ बेकरी केक्स टाइप फ्रेग्रेंस. Yes, it is cake like fragrance and for winters. एक्चुअली दिस फ्रेग्रेंस मैंने इस फ्रेग्रेंस को इस वीडियो में इसलिए रखा है, लेट मी स्मेल दिस टू एक्सप्लेन यू फर्दर. हाँ, इट्स वेरी, it's a mixture of vanilla and coffee, a complete winter fragrance. It's a very cozy kind of fragrance. And you'll wear this fragrance, you will feel like you are sitting beside a fireplace and wearing winter clothes or blanket, and you are having some dry fruits, that kind of fragrance. So this is my number 2 for winter fragrances. So you guys, before moving on to the first one, I would like to add a one honorable mention here, which is Viva La Juicy Fragrances. Okay, so this is a dupe which I have got from one of the websites or maybe Facebook page, and I really like this. The only problem with this dupe is that you can see here how much I've used it over the past 2 weeks, I think. Only problem is कि ये long lasting नहीं है. It is not very long lasting, और इसकी fragrance जो है वो तो जो इसका original वी वाला जूसी है उससे मैच ही करती है. तो I will recommend the original वी वाला जूसी. And this is basically not a Pakistani fragrance, that's why I included it as an honorable mention. And because अगर आप लोगों में से किसी के पास वी वाला जूसी है और यू लाइक वेयरिंग वी वाला जूसी, यू कैन डेफिनेटली वेयर इट इन विंटर्स. It's a sweet fragrance without being gourmand. There are very few fragrances which are sweet and not gourmand. Any sweet fragrance becomes gourmand at some level, but this is not. It is a berries kind of sweet. Doesn't feel like cake or bakery or biscuits or something like that, but it is sweet and it is very pretty fragrance, and it is a casual, playful, that kind of fragrance. If you like to feel sexy, then you can wear this fragrance. So anybody who has it, they can totally rock it in winters and fall during daytimes. So let's move on to the number 1, which is my all-time favorite, Bonanza Enchant. So Bonanza Enchant की मैं अगर आपको बताऊं, it is also a wintry fragrance because it has amber, very extreme amber it has, and rose. So amber and rose make it so pretty. I really love it. This one is also very intoxicating, and I put this on number 1 because it's an ultimate winter fragrance. और नाइट टाइम इवेंट्स के लिए बेस्ट सूटेड है, और डे टाइम में थोड़ी सी हैवी हो जाएगी, लेकिन इफ़ एनी बडी ऑफ यू हैज़ द कॉन्फिडेंस टू रॉक इट, देन यू कैन डेफिनेटली वेयर इट. अभी तक मैंने जितनी भी फ्रेग्रेंसेस, 4 फ्रेग्रेंसेस जो डिस्कस की, 4-5, वो आप में से कोई भी ब्लाइंड बाय कर सकता है. आई डेफिनेटली रिकमेंड देम टू ब्लाइंड बाय. बट ये वाली जो फ्रेग्रेंस है, बोनेंजा एन्चांट, it is a little bit oriental, like Arabic fragrance, because of amber, heavy amber. So anybody of you who is interested in this fragrance should go to the outlet first, try this one, and then buy it. Do not ever blind buy this fragrance because most of the people do not tend to like it. I don't know what it is. Maybe because it's very heavy, and this is very sweet, yet it is very cozy. It is very cozy because of that heavy amber, and it is candy like fragrance, and I really love it. But it's a bit unisex as well, so it's very oriental, like Arabic fragrances, I am telling you right now. So go first, try it, and then buy it. But I really like it, so I'm putting it on number 1. So let me repeat my numberings. This one was Bonanza Enchant on number 1. The number 2 was Khadi Amethyst Adore, which is vanilla and coffee fragrance. This is amber. This one is amber and rose fragrance. This is vanilla and coffee fragrance. Then on number 3, we had our ethnic ombre indigo, which is a maltol and lactonic notes and powdery fragrance with some amber. And fourth spot, we have J. Flora, which is a rose, a musk, and jasmine fragrance. Then on number 5th, we have Khadi Oso Exotic, which is a coconut and cacao based sweet fragrance, coconut and vanilla and cacao fragrance. This one Khadi is a kind of a dupe of Carolina Herrera Good Girl. So you can also buy a Carolina Herrera dupe from Smart Collection. This will also go. So that was my list, you guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.